1 provocation, noun.
इश्तियाल फैलाने वाली हरकत, तैश.
Action or speech that makes someone angry, especially deliberately. Example, you should remain calm and not respond to provocation. Synonyms, goading, prodding, egging on, incitement, rousing, stirring, stimulation, prompting. Antonyms, discouragement, disapproval, despair. 2 disservice, noun.
ज़रर रसाई, नुकसानदेह.
A harmful action. Example, you have done a disservice to the African people by ignoring this fact. Synonyms, unkindness, bad turn, ill turn, disfavor, mischief, injury, harm, hurt, damage. Antonyms, favor. 3 dismantle, verb.
जड़ से उखेड़ना, मुनहदिम, नंगा करना.
Take a machine or structure to pieces. Example, the engines were dismantled and the bits piled into a heap. Synonyms, take apart, take to pieces, take to bits, pull apart, pull to pieces, deconstruct. Antonyms, assemble, build. For temptation, noun.
लालच, झांसा देना, फिसलाना.
The desire to do something, especially something wrong or unwise. Example, he resisted the temptation to call Celia at the office. Synonyms, desire, urge, itch, impulse, inclination, lure, allurement. Antonyms, discouragement, dislike, hate. 5 hegemony, noun.
क़यादत, बालादस्ती, गालिब बनना.
Leadership or dominance, especially by one state or social group over others. Example, Germany was united under Prussian hegemony after 1871. Synonyms, leadership, dominance, dominion, supremacy, ascendancy, predominance, primacy. Antonyms, self-government. 6 countenance, noun.
हुलिया, चेहरा.
A person's face or facial expression. Example, his impenetrable eyes and inscrutable countenance give little away. Synonyms, face, features, physiognomy, profile, facial expression, expression, look. Antonyms, oppose, confront, discourage, discountenance. 7 colossal, adjective.
शानदार, वसीओ अरीज, दिव्यकल.
Extremely large or great. Example, a colossal amount of mail. Synonyms, huge, massive, enormous, gigantic, very big, very large, great, giant, mammoth. Antonyms, tiny. 8 incessant, adjective.
लगातार, मुसलसल, दायमी.
Of something regarded as unpleasant, continuing without pause or interruption. Example, the incessant beat of the music. Synonyms, ceaseless, unceasing, constant, continual, unabating, interminable, endless, unending. Antonyms, intermittent, occasional. 9 outrage, noun.
शदीद गुस्सा, दिल बर्दाश्ता, नाराज.
An extremely strong reaction of anger, shock, or indignation. Example, her voice trembled with outrage. Synonyms, indignation, fury, anger, rage, disapproval, wrath, shock, resentment. Antonyms, moderation, self-control, self-restraint. 10 obliterate, verb.
खत्म करना, मिटाना.
Destroy utterly, wipe out. Example, the memory was so painful that he obliterated it from his mind. Synonyms, destroy, wipe out, annihilate, exterminate, extirpate, demolish, eliminate, eradicate. Antonyms, create, establish. 11 denounce, verb.
खुलम खुला इल्जाम देना, अदलिया मुखालिफ होना.
Publicly declare to be wrong or evil. Example, the assembly denounced the use of violence. Synonyms, condemn, criticize, attack, censure, castigate, decry, revile, vilify, besmirch. Antonyms, praise. 12 refrain, verb.
रुकना, परहेज करना.
Stop oneself from doing something. Example, she refrained from comment. Synonyms: abstain, desist, hold back, stop oneself, withhold, forbear, forgo, do without. Antonyms: indulge, venture, continue, persist. 13. Vilify, verb.
रुस्वा करना, बदनाम करना, गलत मालूमात फैलाना.
Speak or write about in an abusively disparaging manner. Example: he has been vilified in the press. Synonyms: disparage, denigrate, defame, run down, revile, berate, belittle, abuse, insult. Antonyms: commend, leonize. 14. Adversary, noun.
हरीफ, मुखालिफ, मुकाबिल, दुश्मन.
One's opponent in a contest, conflict, or dispute. Example: Davis beat his old adversary in the quarterfinals. Synonyms: opponent, rival, enemy, foe, nemesis, antagonist, combatant, challenger, contender. Antonyms: ally, supporter. 15. Overwhelming, adjective.
इंतहाई, जुज़ती, कवि.
Very great in amount. Example: his party won overwhelming support. Synonyms: very large, profuse, enormous, immense, inordinate, massive, huge, formidable, stupendous. Antonyms: small. 16. Exert, verb.
जिदोजहद करना, जोर लगाना.
Apply or bring to bear, a force, influence, or quality. Example: the moon exerts a force on the earth. Synonyms: bring to bear, apply, bring into play, exercise, employ, use, make use of, utilize. Antonyms: conceal, hide, idle, ignore. 17. Assert, verb.
हक जताना, इकरार करना, दावा.
State a fact or belief confidently and forcefully. Example: the company asserts that the cuts will not affect development. Synonyms: declare, maintain, contend, argue, state, claim, propound, submit, posit. Antonyms: deny, disavow, disclaim, negate. 18. Introspection, noun.
खुद नगरी, मुशाहिदा बातिन.
The examination or observation of one's own mental and emotional processes. Example: quiet introspection can be extremely valuable. Synonyms: brooding, self-analysis, soul-searching, heart-searching, introversion, self-observation. Antonyms: extrospection. 19. Culpability, verb.
काबिल मुआखजा, सजा का मुस्तौजिब होना.
Responsibility for a fault or wrong, blame. Example: a level of moral culpability. Synonyms: guilt, blame, fault, responsibility, accountability, liability, answerability, guiltiness. Antonyms: innocence. 20. Exogenous.
बाहर की तरफ इजाफों से नमू पाने वाला.
Found or coming from outside something e.ga system or a person's body or mind. Synonyms: external, extrinsic. Antonyms: endogenous, internal. 21. Prone, adjective.
मुन्ह के बिल, ढलवान.
Likely or liable to suffer from, do, or experience something unpleasant or regrettable. Example: farmed fish are prone to disease. Synonyms: susceptible, vulnerable, liable, inclined, given, subject, disposed, predisposed, open. Antonyms: resistant, immune. 22. Tyranny, noun.
जुल्म, जाबिराना हुकूमत.
Cruel and oppressive government or rule. Example: refugees fleeing tyranny and oppression. Synonyms: despotism, absolutism, absolute power, autocracy, dictatorship, undemocratic rule. Antonyms: democracy, liberality. 23. Odious, adjective.
बदसूरत, नफरत अंगेज, बुरा.
Extremely unpleasant, repulsive. Example: a pretty odious character. Synonyms: revolting, repulsive, repellent, repugnant, disgusting, offensive, objectionable, vile, foul. Antonyms: delightful, pleasant, agreeable, charming. 24. Disingenuous, adjective.
चालबाजी, मक्कारी, जमाना साज.
not candid or sincere, typically by pretending that one knows less about something than one really does. Example, he was being somewhat disingenuous as well as cynical. Synonyms: dishonest, deceitful, underhand, underhanded, duplicitous, double-dealing, two-faced. Antonyms: ingenuous, frank. 25. Predicament, noun.
बुरी हालत, खतरनाक सूरत हाल.
A difficult, unpleasant, or embarrassing situation. Example, the club's financial predicament. Synonyms: difficult situation, awkward situation, mess, difficulty, problematic situation. Antonyms: advantage, agreement, benefit, blessing. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.